So now I'm headed to my gate. Oh my god, I just dropped my phone. I've been actually dropping my phone a lot. But I got this case. I paid like it was like $50. Because I was like, okay, I'm gonna get my other phone. Obviously, I don't have it anymore because it was damaged. And my boyfriend bought me that like 2 years ago for Christmas. And it was damaged, like really, really bad. So, and I was mad because like now this phone is gonna increase my monthly bill. But I was like, okay, if I'm gonna have this phone, then I might as well get like a $50, the most expensive case, which was, the other one was like $100. I was like, nah, I'm not really doing that. So, but I just dropped it. I dropped it a few times today, and it seems pretty good. Look at that. So, yeah, I'm gonna get me some Starbucks because I already ate, but I just kind of want a Starbucks drink. And I'm gonna get some water. And that's it. And just wait around for my flight right now. It is 6:06. The flight started boarding at 6:25. So, yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all want more vlogs? This is the side of the concourse that I'm flying on right here. So yeah, and I haven't flown with them in a minute because I usually been just flying with Emirates. But yeah, Miami is so cute. So let me actually check my gate. Let me see, I got a seat right here. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, anyways, let me check my ticket. I know it's super cold, but I think it's actually snowing a little bit. I don't have no service right now on my phone. I'm just trying to see. My phone ain't burning enough. But I was able to get this something like that. I did 8 hours later. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. I think it's Vlogmas Day 8 or 7. So I finally made it to London. Wait, let me get in the light so y'all can see me. There we go. So yeah, made it to London. Slept all day yesterday. Edited one video. Ate and went to sleep. So now I'm up. About to do my face. Well, I'm actually about to cook breakfast to my face. I picked out my outfit that I want to take pictures in today. So yeah, my boyfriend, fingers crossed, he gonna take me some pictures today. But I wanted to show y'all some stuff I had got from Morphe. Move my wig out the way. So I went to Morphe Black Friday. Let me sit y'all right. Oh, I gotta show y'all how gloomy it is outside. It's kind of dark right here. Wait, let me look right here. Let me see. Oh, it's still dark right here. It's so dark, literally. This is good. Even though I don't got nowhere to prop y'all at, but on my camera right there. So I went to Morphe. This was like Black Friday, y'all. No, the day after Black Friday, Saturday. So let me know. Leave a comment if y'all have tried Morphe foundation. Everything was super affordable too. I think I paid. Let's see. $52 for everything. So I got some foundation. It's the Morphe Hint Skin Tint Sheer to Medium Coverage. It's lightweight, breathable formula, hydrates, smooths, blurs. It's vegan friendly. Says use a synthetic brush, sponge, or your fingers. So I got this in the color Hint of Cappuccino. So I got that color, and then I got these are eyeliners, but I usually use them for lip liners. But this one I'm actually use this for eyeliner at the bottom. That's the brush I used. So I got that. Let me just flip these out. Okay. Then I got another lip pencil toasty. Yeah, it's a lip pencil toasty. I think it's trans. Oh, and then I got these like light pencil things. I got this from MUA. Oh, I forgot who I seen this with on YouTube, but it's these Morphe eyebrow things. They're like the Anastasia, but a fraction of the cost. And I got them in the color Java, Latte, and Chocolate Mousse. And then I got this little mini concealing brush, but it's in my thing. I've used it already, and that concealer brush is bomb. And then I just got a new foundation brush. It's a blending, buffing, flat brush, M6. And I heard about this, so I was like, let me try it. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup today. Once I finish eating breakfast, I'm gonna edit the other vlog. And then I'm gonna do my makeup, and I'm gonna show you. I might do a sit down makeup tutorial, but I'm not sure because the light is so bad. Let me see if I can show you how. To say that, or I be sleeping all the time, even though I be tired from my flight. But I got up early to cook him breakfast because he was saying he wanted me to cook some ham and eggs when I come to London. I woke up early, brushed my teeth, washed my face, made myself half decent to fix him breakfast. Oh snap, copyright.
What's today's date?
The 8th. Oh shit.
This is next page.
And yeah, he coming out here trying to tell me how to cook. Leave a comment if your man be trying to tell you how to cook. Like, I got this. This me right here, you know? Anyways, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm cooking. So, well, he didn't really tell me how to cook. He just wanted me to add stuff. So, the yams are boiling. I got my onions and peppers here. Eggs. And he wants shrimp. He do be wanting shrimp in his eggs. So, he took those out the freezer. Was like, can you add shrimp into my eggs? So yeah, let me just show y'all what I'm cooking. We're gonna cook some eggs. Babe, you want bacon too? You want bacon too?
What?
Bacon.